Good morning, children. Hope you all are well, and so do I. Bhavna Desai, your science teacher, is with you. Last session, we have learned how plants are useful to us and the different part of the plants we can use in different way. Now we will continue with wood. So let's begin. The first one is hardwood from deciduous trees. Children, deciduous meaning is वहाँ पे वो deciduous trees होते हैं, उनके प्लांट के जो लीव्स होते हैं वो साल में एक ही बार गिरते हैं. That trees we call deciduous trees. Such as teak wood and rosewood are used for making costly furniture. Wood from trees such as mango, coconut are used for making simple furnitures. Hardwood such as eucalyptus is used for making paper. Again, I'll explain you. Deciduous trees such as teak wood and rosewood are used for making costly furniture. Wood from the trees such as mango and coconut are used for making simple furniture. Hardwood such as eucalyptus is used for making paper. Now we will move on to willow. Willow wood, which is hard but flexible, is used for making cricket bats. This is a very interesting topic and interesting feature because you people are fond of cricket. So now you know that cricket bats are making from willow wood. It can bear or withstand hard knocks and does not break easily. Wood from sandalwood, rosewood, walnut trees is used for making decorative items. Again, I am repeating willow wood. Wood which is hard but flexible is used for making cricket bats. It can bear or withstand hard knocks and does not break easily. Wood from sandalwood, rosewood, walnuts tree is used for making decorative items. Softwood from coniferous trees such as pine, fir is used for making paper. Again, I am repeating, softwood from coniferous trees such as pine and fir is used for making paper. Now we will switch on to rubber. Rubber is made from a substance called latex, which we obtain from rubber tree. An inch season is made across the tree trunk. Children, the inch season meaning is they put a cross cut on a tree trunk, and the latex is collected in small bowl. This process of collecting latex from the rubber tree is called latex tapping. Again, I'll repeat, rubber is made from a substance called latex obtained from rubber tree. An in-season is made across the tree trunk and the latex is collected in small bowl. This process of collecting the latex from the rubber tree is called latex tapping. Now we will see the rubber only. Rubber is used for making things such as tires, balls, gloves, and so on. So you know the different way we are using rubbers. Now we will move on to medicines. Many plants contain or are rich with medicines. As for example, or we'll start with neem. Neem, tulsi and turmeric have been used in India for thousands of years as a medicine. Neem, tulsi and turmeric have been used in India for thousands of years as a medicine. Children, if you see the Ayurvedic medicine, they are using all these things. Neem has a good antimicrobial properties. The meaning of antimicrobial is a substance that kills microorganisms. Here I will clarify you, microorganisms are not visible, वो हमें दिखते नहीं हैं, that we have to see under microscope. So neem has good antimicrobial which kills microorganisms. Neem leaves and seeds are used for treating skin disease. For the skin disease, generally in Ayurveda they use neem leaves and seeds to cure your skin disease. Basil, the other name of tulsi is basil. Basil leaf gives us good result in curing fever, cold and cough. Turmeric works as an antiseptic. It kills harmful microorganisms and helps in healing wounds. Ginger. Ginger helps in digestion and curing throat infection. Garlic. Garlic improves digestion and reduces the risk of heart disease. Aloe vera is used for treating skin disease and give good result in healing burns and other wounds. Eucalyptus oil is used for treating headache, cold and cough. So children, now you know, we saw the medicines, how we are getting from trees, medicine, rubber and many more things. Next session again we'll go further. Till then, bye bye, see you.